So, good day everyone. So, for our topic for today is power plant. Uh, First is we have P equals 300 watts, then T is equals 5 hours per day. So, the record of this problem is A equals watts hour. So, in the solution, we have E equals P times T, then input the given, so we have 300 watts times 5 hours day per day, so we have the answer is 1500 watts hours. Then in the number 2, we have given I panel equals 8.3 amperes, then the number of panels equals 4. Then next is the safety factor is equals to 1.25. Then the required is the total current or total current parallel, then minutes of controller rating. Then solution if is the I total equals I panel times number of panels. So input the given, we have 8.3 amperes times 4. Then the I total is 33.2 amperes. Then next is the rating. To solve rating, we have the formula of I total times 1.25. Then our I total is 33.2 amperes. We have to multiply to 1.25. Then our answer is rating equals 41.5 amperes.